You didn't create a screen addicted child. But this habit is, what I'm about to say will surprise you. Actually didn't create screen addicted child. But there is a habit, one that most loving, well-meaning parents use every single day. And it's quietly making it worse. And the hardest part, you probably started it just trying to survive, trying to get a moment of peace, trying to stop the cry, trying to get through this. So if you have ever felt like this, why can't my child just put this device down? Or am I losing my child to screen? This video is for you, because today I'm going to show you the real reason your child struggles to disconnect, hidden habits that fuels it, and how to reset your child without constant conflict, without guilt or shout. You're a parent trying to raise a present, emotionally strong child in a digital world. Make sure you stay subscribed to this YouTube channel, because this is exactly what I'm talking about today. This is not your fault. Really, it is not. Firstly, let me remove the weight you are carrying. It is actually not your fault. You are raising a child in a world where the entire industries are built to capture their attention. The apps, the games, the videos, they are not neutral. They are designed very intentionally to keep your child watching, to keep your child scrolling, clicking longer than they planned. You see that just one more video feeling. It is not lack of discipline. That's design. And I remember a parent telling me once, my child is so calm till the tablet comes on. Then when I take it away, it's like my child is a different person. And I asked her, what did you notice? She said, my child doesn't want to stop. And when I insist, it becomes a battle. Listen carefully. That is not bad behavior. That is a brain that has been trained. Because when screens are involved, your child is not just watching. Your child is experiencing repeated dopamine spikes, fast, intense bursts of stimulation. And when that stops studying, the brain resists it. So what I'm saying is not just disobedience. It is withdrawal from stimulation. And once you understand this, you stop blaming your child. And you will even stop blaming yourself. Have you seen this shift in your child? I'm suddenly reactive when the screen goes off. Just type yes in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Now the hidden habits. Now here is where it gets uncomfortable. But there is one habit. Quietly make this cycle stronger. And that habit is this: using screen as an emotional solution. Not because you are a bad parent, but because it works in that moment. Think about it. When your child is bored, when your child is restless, and you are tired, what is the fastest way to restore peace? You hand over a screen, and instantly silence, relief, breathing space. Here is what is happening underneath that moment. Your child is learning a pattern, a powerful one. When I feel uncomfortable, I escape. Not process, not express, not sit with it, escape. And the more the pattern repeats, the stronger it becomes. So now, it's no longer just about the entertainment. It is becoming emotional dependent. And that's why some children don't just want screen. They need screen. Because they have never learned what to do without screen. This is opening your eyes. Click the like button, because it helps more parents to see this message. Let me talk about what screens are replacing. Here is a deeper issue. Screens are not just adding something to your child's life. They are replacing something. And usually, three things: connection, creativity, and emotional development. Let's start with connection. Before screens filled a quiet moment, children interacted more. Even small things, talking in the car, sitting together, observing life. Now silence is filled instantly, and slowly connection reduces. Then creativity. Do you remember what boredom used to do? It forced you to think, to imagine, to creating something from nothing. Now, the moment boredom appears, it gets eliminated immediately. And when boredom disappears, creativity disappears with it. And finally, emotional development. Because when a child never learns to sit with discomfort, the child will never learn how to handle it. So instead of building resilience, your child is building avoidance. And that follows them into the teenage years and even adulthood. What does your child do when your child is bored? Does your child create or immediately ask for screen? Please tell me in the comment. Now the reset plan. Now here is the good news. You don't need to fight your child. You even don't need to throw away every device. You don't need to feel guilty. You just need to change the pattern. Let's start with this. You don't need to remove screen first. You replace screens with what screens are doing. So I'm going to share some steps with you. Step 1, build connection. 10 minutes daily. Just 10 minutes. Undistracted. No phone, no multitasking. Let your child lead. Let your child talk. Let your child play. Sit, laugh. Because when connection increases, dependence on screen decreases. Step 2, reintroduce boredom. This is powerful. Let your child say, I am bored. And instead of fixing it, say that's okay. It's okay to feel bored. Because boredom is not a problem. It is a doorway. And on the other side of that doorway is creativity. Then step 3, change the language. Instead of saying no more screen, Say, let's do this first. You are guiding, you are connecting. You are guiding, you are not controlling. Step 4, stop using screen for emotion. And this is the biggest shift. When your child is upset, don't distract, don't silence, be present. Because what they need is not escape, it is connection. If you want, I can do a full breakdown of how to structure screen time by age. Just comment age guide. Now let me talk about the transformation. When you do this consistently, something begins to change. Your child becomes more present, your child becomes more active, more creative, and less reactive. And parents often tell me something powerful. It feels like I got my child back. Not because the screens disappeared, but because connection returned. If this helped you see your child different, then you need to watch my next video. The real reason why your child can't stop watching screen and how to reset their brain. And if you want to raise a child who is emotionally strong, present, and not controlled by screen, then subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification button. Because you are not failing, you are just parenting in a system that was never designed to support you. And here we change that.